Hey everyone, today we're looking at the ultimate king of urban delivery, the FTR from Isuzu. If you need to haul massive loads through tight situations in downtown areas, this is your beast. No CDL required, but this Class 6 powerhouse is built exactly for you. Starting right up front, this low cab forward design, because there is no long hood in front of you blocking, you get an incredible 10-foot radius from the front seat. The driver has perfectly clear vision. Combine that with these standard ultra bright LED headlights and a unique 3 windshield wiper system that you get unmatched visibility in severe weather situations. So here's your seat view. I'm at 3, 5, 10. View is gorgeous, isn't it? All that visibility and safety, you can see me all the way up to right here. In case something low is in front of you, you have no blockage. Moving back down the chassis, the Isuzu FTR features a clean, flat, top of rail design. This means upfitting anything from the 12-foot to a 30-foot box with this 26 we're displaying is incredibly easy to put on and load. Let's take a look at what makes this thing move. Under this easy tilt cab, too many things in my hands. You have the B67 Cummins engine, which has 260 horsepower, 660 foot-pounds of torque, and it's paired with a rock-solid 6-speed Allison transmission. What's great is that your daily fluid checks, like your engine oil, coolant, and transmission dipsticks, can all be checked seamlessly from outside without tilting the cab. We get to the side of the rig, you'll see the DEF tank, fuel tank, your air canisters for the air brake system, and long straight frame rails where we can do multitude of different upfits. Anything from small flatbeds, dump bodies, hook lifts, full boxes, refrigerated or non-refrigerated, with lift gates, with ramps. There's thousands of combinations. On the FTR, you're riding on a set of 22.5 wheels. For the rear suspension, you can opt for a standard tapered multi-leaf spring or upgraded Hendrickson air suspension system, perfectly protect any fragile cargo that you may be hauling. The ease of putting down the cab, pop one lever, pull down, latch that, lock that, you're done. Now let's take a look inside the cab. Today's cabs are designed with extra comfort that Isuzu originally didn't have. We now have 3 seats, your air brake setup, on and off, standard shift with overdrive for freeway driving, integrated backup camera in the radio with Bluetooth, Android, and iPhone accessibilities. Here's your driver's view. Go down the side streets. And you gotta remember, this is a 26-foot box truck. All kinds of room and convenience. You're not pinched anywhere. Comes with either an air ride adjustable seat or just a spring adjustable seat. This truck has a spring seat, but you have multiple different adjustments to make yourself comfort. Quick demonstration. You got lights for the box, in-here control, automatic door locks, cruise control, exhaust brake, heated mirrors, power mirrors left and right, your auxiliaries again for your phones, so you can plug in at any time. Visibility is amazing. Love to get you one. Enjoy your Isuzus.